normal skills that you learn in order to a trade. So we're trying to do that with our math workshop, because if Forrest forgets function, not a function, it's not going to be good on the ACT and in his next college math class or whatever he's doing next. If it involves math, it won't be good. Okay, so I've got to make sure he doesn't lose this. Number 7, yes, table 2? Not a function. Can you tell me why? Because of the what? That's not actually the issue. Because of the 8s. Yeah, so table 2, you can get your point. But the issue is the 8s. We can't have a repeat with the x's. We don't really care about the y's. We can't have an issue with the x's because right now we're saying 8 is going to 2 and 8 is going to 3, and that's a problem. We can't have 8 going to 2 different people. Okay, and then number 8, yes, table 5. It is a function, and you can have a point. Okay, and I forgot to put up a hint for 9 and 13. I'm hoping you remember it. Yes, dear?
Number 9 is a function.
It is a function. What are you using to test it? And you can add 2 points. So we're using this vertical line test, or my teacher called it the pencil test. And we just want to see if this is the graph of our function. And we're taking our pencil over it. Are there any spots where it's touching twice? That's one way to see if something's function, not a function. Okay, number 10, you're volunteering. Yes, table 4.
It's not a function.
Not a function. For instance, it fails that vertical line test right here. It hits it twice. It fails in lots of spots, but there's one spot. Number 11, yes, dear? Not a function. Okay, number 12, yes, dear? It is a function for an extra point. And you can have a point for that. For an extra point, you might not know this, and I'm not going to cry if you don't. Do you remember what type of function it is? Quadratic, linear, like it had a name. What is this?
I know it's not linear.
It's not linear.
Wait, what number?
Number 12. What kind of function is it? Do you happen to know what's a V? When it's a V like that, what is it? Absolute. And Brittany Stewart gets a point. It's absolute value. It's an absolute value function. Do you have to remember the name for it? Probably not. Does it help in life? Generally, yeah. Okay, and then number 13, function, not a function. Yes, table 2. Function. You can add a point for that. And then another extra point available. Does anyone happen to know the name of the function of number 13? Yes, dear? It does look like a square root function to me, so I'm going to give you a group a point. Okay. Are there any questions about this math workshop? What did we do yesterday? We took a... Yeah, it is not graded. Love you dearly. It's not happening for the progress report. Promise you that much. We also did a makeup thing, and there are lots who are behind. If, after today, I give Brittany this whole class period now, I'm giving her the rest of the class to get her life together and get everything in. If she tries to hand me stuff after today, like the book's never written, she tries to hand it in next week, she tries to hand in the multi-step equation maze next week, am I going to be happy with her?
No.
Is she going to get her points?
No.
Probably not. So make sure you're using today wisely. If you have everything done under the sun, you've already done the new maze, which is not on this progress report. I Scout's honor on that one. I do have a college inventory thing, and I would let you use my computer. It's got no math with it. It's just about can you Google and find stuff. It's just for fun. And I say it's just for fun, and I'm actually going to let it, if you get it done, you don't have to do it today. It's going to be up here for forever. I just meant one day when you have some free time. If you get it done, I'm going to let it replace your lowest grade. So let's say that Sarah makes she didn't, but let's say she made a C on that quiz the other day, and she could replace that C with this. Okay.
Oh, so you already have graded them?
No, I haven't graded it anyway. I couldn't even tell you. I think it's on green paper. I couldn't even tell what color paper it's on. It was knowing me, not white. Yes, dear.
I got 2.
I have 2 answers.
Number 1, if we turn all our makeup work, is it going to be on the progress report?
Yes.
And number 2, you said new maze.
It's going to be in before you leave the room this period if we get it in quickly.
You said new maze.
By the door, yeah.
Why are we doing that?
Why are we doing another one?
This is one that's belongs to the rest of the
This is, oh, yeah,
Okay,
this is
that's
a
fine. Then I don't
different
care.
kind of maze. Oh, that's what, I was like, oh, this is a different kind of maze. Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Can I use that computer to check what I'm missing?
Yeah. I think it's already logged on, so yeah. Welcome. Okay, if you're not sure, I know that Caitlin is sure what she's missing. I know that Misha's sure what she's missing. Maybe Forrest is. If you're not sure, come ask me. Let's see. Maybe he is. Who knows?
Hey, Miss Count, did you ever find my right way, wrong way sheet?